boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Magixx with the song called Okay. So under all circumstances, he's okay. Nice to know, and this is a great song. Love the lyrics and the song here. Very easy to play this guitar song as well. So we're gonna take a look at these chords we need, 4 chords, and this little melody going on there. So let's start with this one. No need for any capo. So let's dive into the chords, the basics first. So we'll start with the G. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. All right, the next chord will be B minor. It's a bar chord where you have the index finger bar there on the 2nd fret, and you don't have to bar the last E string here. So just 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Next chord, A. So that is open A, 2nd E, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then we have the D, finally, and that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So G, B minor, A, and D, that's the chord progression of the song. It goes like that for an entire song. And then we need to learn the melody here first. We will start with that and then look at the strumming and see how that works with the chords. So the melody first, we're going to go chord by chord, starting here for G. And the starting point will be the best scenario to have just the index finger here on the 3rd fret E string in the bass. So you're gonna do this part. Okay, so that is 3rd fret on E string, then open D and open B. A short pause there, and then comes, so that is 5th fret on the high E, and then I hammer on the 7th E. So like this. That means I pick the 5th and then I use my fretboard hand here, my left hand, and hammer on the 7th E. And then I do the same on the B string, so the 5th B and hammer on the 7th B. So like that. And that's the G part. The next part is the B minor, and you go like this. So that is 2nd on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on B. So you hold in your way. I'm pretty much holding the full chord as it is, the B minor. So I think that is the easiest way. And then you can go for this part. So that is on the E string, high E, you play the 2nd E, you hammer on the 5th E, and then you pull off to get the open E there. So, all right, so 2nd, 5th, and open. And that's the B minor part, and then we have the A. That's the A part. So you do 2 times the same here. You're gonna play open A, 2nd D, and 2nd B. And then a pause in between, and then you repeat that. So again, and then you quickly change to the final chord D here and play like that. So that will be open D, 2nd G, and 2nd E. And as soon as you play this final note on the 2nd E string there for the D chord, you immediately go back to start a new round on G. So all these notes, we want to know how they work together. So I'm gonna take you through one round a little bit slower than standard tempo. So you'll really hear our notes, but also see the pauses, how long they will be, and yeah, the relation between all the notes. So let's start from the beginning and G. right, so there you have the melody. Now to the main part here, which is actually the chords and the strumming. I believe that makes this song here. So let's go back to the G chord and grab the full chord here. We have one string pattern that needs to be divided into two different parts. I'm going to show you the full string around here, both parts here with the G, and it goes like this. Okay, so the first part will be down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. So down and a pause and then up, clap, down. And then you're gonna play the part two, which is simply down, clap. Very easy. So between these two parts, you have a short little pause there. So together, part one and part two will be. Okay, so a couple rounds. All right, so we're ready. So we're gonna play G, one string around, B minor, one string around, then A, one string around plus part one. So that will be down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down, up, clap, down. And then you switch to D and play part one as well. Down, up, clap, down. Okay, so G1, B minor 1, A1 plus part 1, and D part 1, like this. That's one round. And a couple rounds. Yes. All right, guys. So Magixx, okay. I hope you are. And if you like this tutorial, please show me that. Give me a like on this one. And yeah, see you soon. Play tuned.